Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Finance for Beginners. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can log into your existing account on the Bifrost Wallet application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Bifrost Wallet app on your device, and once you are taken into the homepage, tap on the I already have a wallet option. Then tap on I agree to agree with the terms of use and privacy policy. And now you will end up within the Restore Wallet page. Here you will be asked to enter your secret recovery phrase. This is given to you when you create your account in the first place, and this has a minimum of 12 random words. So just enter your recovery phrase in the correct order within the given box. You can then tap on the Restore button, and this will check your recovery phrase to see if it matches with any account. Once it does, you will be given the option to create your new PIN code. Type in your desired code, and then type it in once again for confirmation. You can now enable biometric verification by providing your fingerprint. After this, you will successfully be logged into your existing account on the Bifrost Wallet app, and you can start your trading right away. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your existing account on the Bifrost Wallet app. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.